Laila Morocco wife on the run as Regina Daniel is about to give it to her woto woto. Hey, hey, my correct people, no be small thing o. Laila is running o. Laila, why are you running? Why are you running? Anyway, guys, before we proceed, you're welcome back to my channel and page. I greet you according to your time. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great. Thank you so much for always being part of this channel. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. My God will bless you. Guys, you know the saga between Regina Daniels and Ned Nwoko. The thing is not a small thing. It's not a small thing at all. As people have started blaming Ned, telling Ned that look at the same Morocco wife that left you and ran back to Morocco with all your children. It's the same woman that you are now going about with Abi. Today saying that you don't even care about Regina and her children. Guys, this is so serious. This is very, very serious. Laila, I don't know why I say that Laila is happy now that this whole thing is happening. Because Laila now have enough time to move with Ned Nwoko. Enough time. But it's the same Laila that people have been telling that you don't have time for your husband. As if it was her prayers that Regina Daniel should go uh, out of the marriage or maybe get aside so that she will have time to rejoice, a bit to have good time with her husband. But do you know what? Regina Daniel have decided to sue Ned Nwoko. Regina Daniel sued Ned Nwoko. Why did Neji sue Ned? Apart from the fact that Ned have been cheating on her with Chika Ike. But it's not only her that Ned have been cheating on with Chika Ike. Ned Nwoko deceived her. According to what I heard allegedly, that they planned that after marrying her, that Ned is not going to marry another wife, that she is going to be the sixth and the last one. You know, now Ned they went and married Chika Ike. Although if you ask Chika Ike on her own, she will tell you that she's not married to Ned, and she's not even planning to marry Ned. So my correct people, what is really happening right now is that Regina Daniel was so bitter that she wanted to take care of her children. But Ned Nwoko decided that she's not going to see her children unless she comes back to stay in the house. And not just that, that the school where Ned Nwoko registered both Laila's children and the Regina Daniel's children, that Ned decided that Regina Daniel's children should not continue with that school, that they should uh, change school. They should change school. Being the fact that Regina Daniel is no longer in the marriage, that Regina Daniel said that she's no longer interested and she wants a divorce. But Ned did not grant her the divorce. But Ned, according to alleged information, don't forget I was not there, said that she is no longer going to be taking care of Regina Daniel's children. They are not going to continue to school in that same school that they are schooling because their mother have rejected him. And Regina found out that Laila's children were still in that school, that they are still schooling in that school. And Regina was so unhappy, despite the fact that Ned did not allow her to come and see her children. Also now saying that he's not going to continue to take care of these same children. They're not going to continue to be in that school, that they're going to change school. And the school they are talking about is not a school that is small money. This school must be school of maybe a term. You might be spending almost millions of naira in a particular term for these small children. When people ask them to help them now, they will say that things are hard. But your child will be going to school of 5 million naira a term. Anyway, they get the money. Let me not put eye for them. What everybody will be praying that God should bless him or her so that he will get his own money. So Regina Daniel, according to what I heard allegedly, that Regina Daniel have gone to, in short, Regina Daniel sue Ned Nwoko, saying that Ned is not taking his responsibilities. Yes, that Ned is not taking care of his responsibilities, that her children, which is also Ned's children as well, are not being taken care of. And Ned did not allow her to come and see her children. Now, why wouldn't Ned take care of the children very well? Why would Ned be treating the children the way he's treating them? I've not seen it in anywhere how Ned is treating these children. Just that, according to what I heard, that he said that the children are not going to continue with this in the same school that they are schooling right now. School term have not closed. Oh. Let it be that maybe next term they are not to enroll in that same school. So Regina Daniel went and sued him, saying that he's not doing his work as a father, that he's not taking care of the children, he not allow her to see the children. He's now walking about with Laila. Anywhere you see Ned Nwokona, you will see Laila. And people are like, Laila, you are the cause of all this whole saga. Why did you suddenly change? Why did you suddenly have time for Ned Nwoko? You that said that you don't have time, you are always busy. Busy doing what? Hmm. Now, because Sojandana is no more in the house, you are now you have taken charge. Anyway, but if you ask me, I will just be like, Ned Nwoko issue with Sojandana, Laila doesn't have anything to do with it. It's not uh, Laila's concern. It doesn't concern Laila. Laila is a wife to Ned, and she have the right to move around with her husband as long as her husband wants her to come with him. You see, because people have been saying a lot of things. And now, the main koko be say, Regina Daniel, after suing Ned, I know that her aim is to know if the court will hand over her children to her, saying that since Ned is too busy and the children are still tender, that she should come and carry her children and take care of them. This is her aim. And she went and sued Ned. Hey, you don't know that Ned is wise. She don't know that Ned is so wise. Anyway, guys, I don't know what you have to say in this whole issue. But after Laila heard that Regina Daniels have sued Ned, Regina Daniel was on the run. She's on the run right now, as we heard allegedly, that she doesn't want to get herself involved in anything that concerns Regina because she knows that Regina is so strong and so stubborn. If she wants to do anything, she will do it and do it perfectly. Yes. You can see her and her children playing. These children now, she loved them so much. Like she so much loved these children. You see? And the Ned Nwoko is supposed to take care of their children since Regina Daniel is no longer there in the house. And the Ned Nwoko will not still allow Regina to come and carry her children. And at the same time, you will not take care of these children. But it might be that the children are being well taken care of. Oh, just that she wants to have the children to be with her because she might have missed them so badly. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for always watching. Please do what to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to subscribe. And don't forget that all the information you're getting here are alleged. I love you so much. Bye.